Hi there, thanks for joining me here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix common dishwasher problems. Dishwashers should always be used with nice clean plates, ironically. So basically rinse out all the large chunks of food and debris off the plates and cups before placing them into the dishwasher. That's the first one. The dishwasher contains filters. As you can see, the filter is kept at the bottom and you can unscrew it from here. And you can see this has just got a little bit of onion stuck in there. So you can unscrew that. And just run that under the sink, and also that plate as well will come through, and that can be cleaned as well. Okay, so that disconnects and is just washed out, put back afterwards. To the left hand side you see the little dial there, that's where the salt goes. Not regular salt, but dishwasher salt. So dishwasher salt you can buy from the shops, it's very cheap. You pour it into there and it's dispensed over a period of time, and it makes hard water soft. Okay, therefore producing less buildup of scale and lime on your dishwasher, which would decrease efficiency. So the next thing we're looking at is looking at this rotor arm. We've got the rotor arm at the bottom, which is electrically powered, and you've got the one at the top, which is mechanically powered. All of these contain outlets for the water to come through, and you can see that one's spinning under the power of the water, which comes in through the back. So these little nozzles here are where the jets of water come through. If you're finding the top dishes are not as clean as the bottom ones, then it may be that is blocked or not turning properly. The seal at the back, which produces the water, may be blocked. Take those out and rinse them under water and make sure all the little food catching areas, nozzles, are clean. Do the same for the bottom one as well. One of the problems you also may find is if dishwashers come out slightly wet, or if they're dirty and they've got a little bit grainy bits of sand in it or grit, then it may be that your actual heater matrix has failed. The way to test this is by opening the dishwasher mid-cycle and actually feeling if there's any heat in the water at all. If there's no heat, then that means that you're actually doing a complete cycle on the cold rinse. Okay. Other cases, you can find that there's water building at the bottom of the dishwasher. This can often lead to a belief that this is normal, but it's not. So basically, what you need to do is check the drains to make sure that the pipe that leads out of the washing machine, out of the dishwasher, is not blocked or kinked. Sometimes they do get kinked over time, just with the heat, etc., and they collapse, and that could be blocking, stopping the water going out, in which case the pump will cut. The other thing, it could be the actual outlet pipe can also be blocked, and that can be linked to potentially fat in sinks, etc., which may run off the same pipes. If they're blocked, then you're going to get problems with the dishwasher. Sometimes in extreme cases you may get slugs falling into your kitchen as the water actually seeps into the floorboards and rots the floorboards, allowing access for slugs to enter with the watered floorboards. One of the other things is smells that you may find in dishwashers. If you've got smells and it doesn't smell really nice, then potentially it may be time to consider doing this, and that is switching dishwasher tablets. So I use 3 different types of dishwasher tablets, but there we go. There's a Fairy one, I think it's Fairy Platinum, that one, and that has a component which actually cleans the inside of the dishwasher. And then I have this one from Morrison's, which is a cheap one, and that just does the dishes and a little bit of rinse in it. Then I have a very basic one from Lidl's, and that is the cheapest one you can get. I think it's like 5p a tablet, and so that's just to use that for very simple things, very simple dishes. But by switching them around, you get 3 different types of cleaning agents going in through your dishwasher. Okay, and that means there's less likely a chance of a type of grease being resistant to one tablet and staying there and building up. Switching around between 3 tablets means that if one tablet can't remove a particular type of film, then the other one has more chance of doing that. But you'll notice I'm using 2 cheaper ones and 1 good one, because that's what you want to do. You don't want to be using 3 cheap ones. You want to use one which actually cleans the inside of your unit as well. So I'm hoping that this has been actually quite useful to you. Subscribe for other videos that you may like. Thank you.